Don't be shy.
I'm not. Just my
Okay.
face.
Alright.
I can't. Like. I can't.
Can't stop smiling. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Priscilla Monroe Show.
Wait, should I say it?
Yeah. What's up, y'all?
Welcome to the Priscilla Monroe Show.
What are we doing today?
I'm doing my Titi's makeup.
What are you gonna do?
This purple thing.
So today we're doing this purple thing on my eye. I kind of helped her out already. I just got done filming and I still have a little bit of makeup on and my eyelashes, but that's all good. What palette are we gonna use today? Do you know what this is called? Morphe. Good job. She learned something from a video. Morphe. What?
Boss Mood.
Yep, Morphe Boss Mood palette. Alright? So, without further ado, let's let this artist get to work. My young protege. What are you going to do first?
So first I'm going to go in with this Morphe Fluffy Brush. 19.
Morphe Y19. Fluffy eyeshadow. Blending brush.
Okay.
Alright, and where are you going to put this?
On top of it.
Okay.
You gotta see. I don't know if I'm doing this right.
It's fine, but you can put more. Don't be scared.
Okay.
Don't be shy, baby. Just put it on until it looks good. That's what I do. Yeah, you're getting there. Oh. I'm sweating. It looks good so far. Keep going. Oh, look at that girl. Looking good already. Alright, keep going. You can put more. Don't be scared. Look. Rub it in there.
I just don't want to like.
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Do it at the
Oh,
top
yeah.
how to do.
Yeah, go ahead.
Good.
I keep going out of focus. Let me unzoom a little bit. Snatch, girl.
Okay.
Next.
Like that.
Wait, is my crease? Yeah, wait, any more on this side. So like right over here.
No, no.
You're doing good.
Okay. Wait, is it good over here?
Put a little more.
Damn. I put it. See?
No, it's okay. You gotta blend it out anyway. You're gonna like windshield wipe. Not exactly where you put it, but like on top, like from here to here.
Okay.
Until it blends out and it's nice and smooth.
But does it have to be like skinny?
Really skinny.
Like, does it like? Is it gonna be thick or skinny?
No, just so it's not like a sharp line.
Like, do I use this brush?
Yeah, use it. I just cleaned it off. You don't need anything. It's clean, so just blend out like the top area.
Wait.
Not so gentle, like yeah. Just go back.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good. Do the other side. Good job. You gotta be a makeup artist or something. Make some money.
I'm sorry.
Like, I don't feel anything.
I could have sworn it was like. Wait. That?
Yeah, it's good. Just like this.
Is that good?
Alright, what's next? What kind of brush are you gonna use now? A flat eyeshadow brush? What color are you gonna do?
That's good.
Oh, you're going for the dark one, Do whatever you want. It's your makeup tutorial.
I just want it to match then.
It does match.
Okay.
Don't go above the crease, but just tap it. No, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt.
I think I put too much. That's bad. That's like stuff
It's not bad. You just gotta keep going. You get all everywhere. Like from all this line, you don't gotta be scared to go above it like a little bit. Do what you think is right. Just pretend you're painting. Painting a picture of your eyeball.
Let's see.
It should look like it looked like a happy little rainbow.
It's on the crease.
It's fine. You have to blend it up into the crease anyway. Put it and like drag it down.
Is that good?
Yeah. Just put like, you see like this pink line here?
Yeah.
Rub it in there. Really good. Don't be scared. It's not gonna get in my eye. I got these big fluffy caterpillars protecting me.
It's on the real eyelash.
It's fine. You do makeup better than some like 40-year-olds. Yo, I'm not even lying.
Is that good?
Yes, it is perfect. Okay, now you gotta do the other one.
Wait, but what if you take your eyelash off? What if you see the pink?
I'm not taking it off.
Okay.
You're gonna blend it out after that. So now do the same thing on this side. She's doing a good job, guys. Don't be mad. Alright, so now you need to take the fluffy brush and blend those two colors together. So you're just gonna windshield wipe them like you did before. Don't be afraid. Just blend it till it looks like there's not a sharp line. Looking good. A little bit more here. Now change your angle that you're holding it, like so it follows the shape of your eye. Like that. Gosh, Melania, you're so good at this, girl. What? All right, next one. Blend me out, baby. Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time?
My mom should do makeup.
She'll be like, I don't want that now. I don't do it right now.
She do her makeup on y'all.
Usually she makes me do it. Gonna tap it in, and then
On
we'll
your eyebrow?
under
Under?
it, yeah. Just tap it in, and then we'll blend it out with the fluffy one.
Where's my baby?
I'm doing Pipi's makeup.
We're making a video. She's doing a good job.
She did all that by herself?
Well, not my eyebrows and my eyelashes, but the eyeshadow.
Wait, is that not enough?
No, it's fine. You just gotta blend it now. You get the fluffy one. Gotta clean it off. Oh, say what, girl? Yo, you're doing got some skills, man. You've been watching a lot of my videos, huh?
Yeah.
My little protege. Oh, you just naturally talented. I forgot. Alright, now we gotta do the bottom. Or actually, you need a little highlight. So here, take this glow kit. Use the purple one, the little tiny side, and then just put it right here on like one of those two little insides of my eye. You see what that did, girl? Good. You're gonna do the bottom.
Okay.
So you're gonna take that whatever one, anyone you want really, and you're gonna go like here, under here, like this. Okay?
Under your eyelash.
Yeah.
Used to be my eyelash.
Do the bottom.
Bad.
I only had my makeup done by other people like twice in my life. So you're like the third person to do my makeup. The last time I got it done was at the Glamour Shops place in the mall. And I went with your mom. And they did such a horrible job. Like, you're literally doing way better than me. I'm not even kidding. Yeah, put more. A little bit more like on the outer side. Gotta go on here.
Here?
Like over here. Yep. I need smudge brush and use the dark purple. Now you're gonna try to stay just like a little bit and then stop like when you get to like here.
Okay. Do you want
But don't go all the way down here, just like up here. You just rub it back and forth. Good. You're so good at this. Oh my gosh. I'm not doing anything. It's all her. So now you just need mascara. Do you want to do black or do you want to do purple? Say something to the people. Like, yo, you want to learn how to lay your face? Try a 9-year-old. So down here. All you're going to do is like take this one, carefully, don't stab me, and just like rub it like this, back and forth. Ooh, so pretty! Do the other one again. I'm excited. Yeah. Yeah.
No, it's not.
It's so good. I'm not even kidding. Like, I would not lie to you. You did such a fabulous job.
Why are you laughing?
Because I'm so surprised. Like, you didn't make me look like a witch or anything. A 10, girl. What? This is the final blah, blah, blah. This is the finished look that my niece did for me. It's so beautiful. Tell them what you did, girl. How old are you?
9.
She's 9 years old. And she just did my makeup better than a lot of people. You've got some talent, yo. Everybody go follow her. What's your Instagram tag? Do you know your TikTok tag? You know your TikTok one? Tag her in the description so you guys can go follow her on her social medias. We hope you enjoyed this video, right?
Yep.
If you like it, leave a big old thumbs up and make sure you hit the bell and the subscribe button. If you want to see more, just leave a comment down below, right?
Yep.
Yep. Peace out, Cub Scout.
Bye.